Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create forms to collect project requests in Asana, your complete 2025 guide. Let's start by navigating to the project where you want to collect requests. This is crucial because each form is tied to a specific project. You don't want your website feedback form connected to your event planning project, right? Next up, click on the Forms tab in your project. If you can't find it, it might be under More in your project menu. The reason we do this is because Asana hides less frequently used tabs under this More section to help streamline your project view. Now that we've found the Forms tab, let's create a new form. Click on the plus New button. This will open up a form builder where you can start creating your form. Each form you create is customizable, which means you can ask exactly what you need to know for your project. Here's where the fun begins. Start by adding fields to your form. You can add a title, description, and choose what type of answer you want to collect. You might want to collect single-line text, multiple choice answers, or even dates. This helps us because the more specific you are with your questions, the better the responses you'll receive. Now, let's move on to the Rules section. Here, you can create rules for what happens when someone submits a form. For example, you can assign the task to a team member, add it to a specific section, or apply a specific custom field. The reason we do this is to automate the process of managing incoming tasks, saving you time and ensuring nothing gets missed. Once you're happy with your form, it's time to share it. Click Share Form link and choose where you want to share it. You could share it on your website, email it to your team, or even post it on your social media. And that's it. You've just created and shared a form in Asana, ready to collect project requests. This is a powerful tool for streamlining the way you manage tasks and organize your team's workflow. So, there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide on how to create forms to collect project requests in Asana. Remember, the goal here is to make your project management more efficient and effective. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful tutorials soon. Until next time, keep being productive.